This is a brief demonstration of the Student Behavioral Threat Assessment Platform by Secure Passage. SBTA has been designed from the ground up to provide behavioral threat assessment teams with the intelligence and insights needed to make evidence-based decisions regarding emerging campus security threats. The solution can be configured to reflect the unique requirements of each district or state, taking into account the existing policies, systems, workflows, investigative approaches, assessment frameworks, and team structure. All data used in this video is fictional and purpose-built for demonstrations. The home page of the Student Behavioral Threat Assessment Platform gives users a bird's-eye view of the database and surfaces the information most important to each individual user. On the left-hand side are a series of widgets that are utilized throughout the platform, but for the purposes of this demonstration, we will be going through the student, incident, case management, and assessment widgets. The student section of this platform features an overview of the student and any points of contact tied to that student. This information can be brought into the platform from your student information system via API or a custom-built integration. There is also an area to store any photos or documents pertaining to that specific student. The student section also features a linked data section that ties all incidents, assessments, and cases to that student. This provides a comprehensive, holistic view of the student's current status and gives visibility to behavioral threat assessment teams. When clicking into the student overview, you will notice a Tags and Permissions section. This is something that is featured across every widget on the platform. Tags are used to categorize and organize datasets, and reports can be generated off those tags. The Permissions section gives organizations role-based access control. Data groups can include broader sets like departments, teams, buildings, and roles, or for highly sensitive material, permissions can be extremely granular. Our system can limit access of a single photo to a single administrator. Permissions are completely custom, and our team will work with you during onboarding to ensure all data is protected and within the guidelines of HIPAA and FERPA. Creating new incidents is as easy as clicking the plus button and populating the information needed. Incidents can also be auto-created via an integration with various incident reporting tools. All incidents are reported into the system and have their own incident page. The incident page features sections for an overview, detailed description, location data, photos and documents, an activity log, a space for annotations, as well as a linked data section. Incidents can be a standalone report, or they can be moved into a case. If that incident moves into a case, then a case file will be created. Now that a case has been created, the incident description will populate into that case. Threat assessment teams will assign a case status, lead, and reviewer. Subject information will also be populated from the student widget. Taskbars will be auto-generated on the right-hand side and can easily be clicked into to update statuses. All cases have areas to record your assessment findings, observations, the behavioral threat assessment team's response, any attachments, a space to take general notes, and any related cases. All interviews or assessments are also started and stored in the case management page. All assessments will feature an overview of the assessment itself, as well as the asset being interviewed. Information pages can be populated in to instruct interviewers how to complete their responsibilities. Assessment templates are available within the system, or we can build out custom assessments. After completing an assessment, interviewers will submit it for review and it will go to the next step in the workflow. Thank you for watching a brief overview of the Student Behavioral Threat Assessment Platform by Secure Passage. In this demo, we highlighted how to bring student data into the system, create incidents, move those incidents into cases, and run assessments on those cases. SBTA was created to aid behavioral threat assessment teams with their daily responsibilities, safeguard student data, and create actionable insights that enables intervention. From the Secure Passage team, thank you for your time today.